Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share this makeup look that you can see on my face. To create this eye look, I've used the Makeup Revolution X Nath palette, which I've shared about in my recent Nykaa haul video. So if you'd like to know how I got to this purple eye look, then please keep on watching. I'm starting off with skin prep. I'm using this moisturizer called as Emollient, which was suggested to me by my dermatologist. It is a really good moisturizer for dry skin type, but it only moisturizes the skin and it doesn't have any other skin benefit. And then I'm applying some eye gel. This is by the brand Aroma Magic. It's their under eye gel. Moving on to the makeup, I am first using a darker shade of concealer to correct around my mouth. It is not always necessary to use a particular shade of corrector to correct pigmentation. You can definitely use whatever you like, but you can also use a darker shade of concealer like I did to correct pigmentation. The shade I used is Spawn from LA Girl Pro Concealer. It's a little bit dark than my foundation shade and it does the job of hiding the pigmentations. Now moving on to the foundation, I am using the Nykaa Skin Shield foundation and I use the shade number 12. And I'm first going to apply that using my brush and then with my sponge. And since I corrected my pigmentation earlier with a darker concealer, I don't even need much foundation. For concealer, again I am using the medium beige from the Pro Concealer range and highlighting the center of my face. To set the concealer and the rest of my face, I am using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in the shade medium. Moving on to the eyes, I'm of course using the Makeup Revolution the Nath palette. The first shade I'm taking is Lovely and putting that in the crease as my first transition color and blending that really well. Next up, I'm taking the shade Blend and putting that in the crease and outer corner to give some depth. And again blending that color really well. I am grazing the same color on my lower lash line as well. Then I'm taking the shade Espresso and again putting that in the outer corner of the eyes. And once I'm happy, I'm going to take the purple shade from the palette, which is called as Striking, and apply that on my lid. And I'm using my finger to apply the shade to get the better color payoff. And then blending the shade so that there is no harsh edges. And also deepening up my outer corner for the last time. For the lower lash line, I am just taking the shade Espresso. Now I am filling in my brows using the Sugar Arch Definer Eyebrow Pencil. And this is in the shade Cherry Brown. Now I am applying a brown kajal in my lower waterline. And a black one on my upper waterline. Moving on to the mascara, I have used the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara and I have applied that on my top as well as bottom lashes. Now moving back to the face, I am using the Physicians Formula Bronze Booster to bronze and contour my face. Using the NYX HD blush in the shade Amber to blush up my cheeks. And before I go ahead and apply my highlighter, I'm spraying my face using the Kama Ayurveda Vetiver water. And then for highlighter, I am using the Maybelline Master Chrome in Molten Gold. I'm also highlighting my inner corners of the eyes using the shade Classy from the palette. And lastly for lips, I am using the Nykaa Matte to Last Liquid Lipstick in the shade Madras Kaapi. It's one of my favorite nude shade. And since the eye look wasn't looking complete, I applied some false lashes. These are by Pack Pro in number 004. And that's all. That's how I got to this look. I really hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already yet, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.